Sir, pacheck lang po. Mga orders ni Madam Delilah para sa bisita.
Pasok mo na yan. Tapos umalis ka na agad, ah.
You know, for a new partnership.
That's why I'm still here, Delilah.
Oh, I almost forgot. Earlier, I let my temper speak. I hope this time I'll make it right. Do you mind? There you go. That's much better. Now you look like the man that people should fear.
I must say, you have good taste.
Oh, but I do, especially with partners. By the way, is this your trusted guy? Pues, kailangan mag-usap tayo. Kasi next time, ikaw na ang kakausapin ko. But of course, if you permit, Verdugo.
Certain.
Well, let's seal the deal then. Cheers to new partnership.
Partnerships.
As I was saying, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Banjo,
It's fine, it's fine. Shoes can be clean.
I'm terribly sorry. Well, shall we start then?
Let's.
Please, sit down, gentlemen. Oh, may naalala lang ako. I have to do something. Excuse me.
Siguradong nandito pa si Andrew. Mahirap na baka maabutan ka pa niya.
Hindi lang ako ang dapat mag-iingat. Ikaw din. Kilala ka rin niya, di ba? What's going on here, Matias?
Kakilala nga kayo?
Business partner ko si Matias. Kaya dapat bilisan na natin to. Kaya lang itong babaeng to, mukhang nananat siya.
Well, sorry about that. I was having some steaks prepared for you guys. Would you rather have them medium rare or well done?
I would prefer na bilisan mo at simulan na natin ang transaksyon. Ayokong nag-aaksaya ng oras.
Ikaw naman, masyado kang nagmamadali. Bakit nga ba? Hindi kaya yung mga taong mahabol sa'yo?
I told you, they're just small fry competition.
Well, small fries or not, kailangan safe. So you don't have to worry about it. Sinabi ko na sa mga tauhang kama, habulin sila at iligpit.